What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a huge cell phone photography unboxing video. So I got on Amazon and got some cool stuff to do some cell phone photography, and there's some other stuff in here too. So first off, I'm making some t-shirts soon for my main skateboarding channel, and there we go. There's some t-shirt stuff that I'm working on. And oh my gosh, here's a really cool tool for cell phone photography and videography. This is a grip. Oh yeah, I gotta slice through this too. For a cell phone to make it feel more like a camera. I've actually got several of these coming today, and yeah, so this will unscrew, go around the thing, the side of the camera, and it's going to allow you to use a cold shoe. Cold shoe refers to the fact that there's no electricity going through it, but it'll hold like a mic or a light or anything like that. This down here will adjust it to different size cameras. And then we've got the shutter, the aperture, well, I guess it's not really the aperture, it's like the shutter speed and the ISO sort of on the top. And yeah, that's really cool. Alright, so there we go, that's all in that box. And then in here we should have a lens. I've got another package coming from Amazon, possibly UPS today, with some more stuff for the cell phones. Okay, let's see, we have a Sirui lens. Now this is really going to help make better photos and video on a cell phone. It's going to allow you to have more of a shallow depth of field and be zoomed in a little bit more. So let's see. I've never had one of these new. I had one of these used one time. And here we go. So we've got the lens. We've got the lens cap back here on the back. And then we've got, yeah, there we go. I'm actually going to stick this on the camera because it actually has a moment case on this camera right now. And just kind of show you the difference. So then next we've got another photo grip for the iPhone. Let's see what this one looks like. I'm going to do individual videos on all this stuff. I'm just doing a quick video to kind of show all the stuff that I'm getting in the mail today. Oh yeah, this one's nice. It's got a little indentation for your fingers to hold on there. Got the shutter. Now this one is a little simpler. It doesn't have all the extra controls that the other one did, but it's still really cool. So I'm going to test these out, see what I like, see what I don't like, and make some more videos on these. If you enjoy this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.